let's talk about the distributive property. Remember, distribute means to give out. So in this example problem, we are distributing the 3 to each thing inside the parentheses. So the first thing we are distributing is the 3 and the 4x. So what we're actually saying is 3 times 4x. Now, we have to bring down the sign, which is a minus sign, and then distribute the 3 to the last number. What that's really saying is 3 times 2. Now, let's finish solving to get our final answer. 3 times 4x is just 12x. We bring down the minus sign again, and then we finish the final piece. 3 times 2 is 6. So our final answer would be 12x minus 6. This example has the 6 at the end of the parentheses. That's okay, we still solve it the same basic way. We are still distributing the 6 to everything inside the parentheses. So our first distribution will be 6 times 3x. This time we have a plus sign, so we're going to bring down the plus sign. Now we're going to distribute to the 2. So what we're really saying is 6 times 2. Let's finish it out to get our final answer. 6 times 3x is 18x. Bring down our plus sign, and 6 times 2 is 12. So our final answer, once we distribute, would be 18x plus 12. The identity property is quite simple. What it tells us is that when you have a number and you add 0 to it, it doesn't change the identity or the value of the original number. So we started with a 3, and once we do our calculation, we still end up with a 3. The same thing is true for multiplication, multiplying by 1. Multiplying by 1 does not change the identity of any number. Any number times 1 is still just that same number. 5 times 1 will still give us 5. The identity of 5 did not change.